In this video, I'm showing you how to add skills and top skills to your LinkedIn profile. I'm also going to be telling you what this section's for, what you should include, how to add your top skills, how to add normal skills, and how to edit and delete your skills. So let's start with what the section's for. So your top skills section is shown at the bottom of your about section right here. And LinkedIn shows your profile to people searching for your skills. So that's why it's important to fill this section in and to be specific about the skills that you include here. What should you include in this section? You should be including skills that are relevant to your business or your current role. Now, my videos are all targeted towards business owners, so that's the perspective I'm coming from here. Before you add or edit your skills, you need to add the skills profile section to your profile. This is how you do it. You click add profile section, and then here you'll see add skills under core. So you click add skills, and then here you can start adding your skills, and you click save like I'm going to show you in the rest of the video. Now let's get into how to add your top skills. In order to do this, you want to come to your about section, click the pencil button, scroll down, and here you have your top skills. You can add up to 5 skills you want to be known for, and these skills will also appear in your skills section. So here I've got copywriting, content marketing, inbound lead generation, and YouTube marketing. Those are the main things that I want to be known for. Content marketing mainly, YouTube marketing great, inbound lead generation perfect, and copywriting. Those are my main skills. Now I can add another skill, but it's not necessary because I want this section to be as focused as possible. Here's how we add another skill. We click add skill, type in the skill. So I'm going to type in LinkedIn marketing, and then you want to select where you've used the skill. So I'm going to select my current role, and my previous role I did a little bit of LinkedIn marketing there, and then I click save. And now you have your 5 skills added. That is your limit. You can't add any more than that. So be very specific about these skills. Make sure that they're relevant to your business and what you want people to know you for. Then click save. And now, as you can see, our skills have been updated. We've got LinkedIn marketing there as well. This is how you add the rest of your skills to your skills section. So you scroll down until you find skills. Then you click this plus button. Then you write the skill that you want to add. So we're going to write email marketing, and then you select where you've used the skill. Then you click save. And now your skill's added. Now you can also add more skills from this page, or you can click no thanks. We're going to click no thanks because I don't want to add any more skills. And this is how you edit or delete your skills. So you click this pencil icon. I actually do not want email marketing here because that's not really a service I'm going to be offering. It's not really relevant to my business right now. It is a skill I have, but it's not relevant to my business. So make sure you're adding skills that are only really relevant to your business. You don't want to just have a large list of skills that are irrelevant, because all that's going to do is confuse people who come to your profile. To delete or edit your skills, you click on the pencil next to the skill you want to delete or edit. Then here we can click or unclick different places that we use this skill. But really, I just want to delete the skill. So we're going to come down to the bottom left and click delete. And then we come over here and click delete again. If you want to turn views into followers and turn followers into clients, you can do that by optimizing your LinkedIn profile to attract clients using my LinkedIn profile optimization checklist. This checklist is absolutely free, and you can download it by using the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download this checklist because it won't be free and available forever. Go download it now. If you've got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.